Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute someone's Instagram story using your Android phone. So if you want to know how to mute and unmute someone's Instagram story, just keep on watching and let's get started. First, let's open the Instagram app. Now on the upper screen, you will see the stories. Just long press on the story you want to mute. Click mute. You can choose if you want to select their stories only or their post too. For now, I will select the mute story. And now you muted their stories. I will show you how to unmute someone's story. Just long press the muted story and tap unmute story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!